right, the Horseshoe Bend. What a beautiful place. Now the question is, should you visit? I would say, if you happen to be close by, definitely. It's near Page, Arizona, and Page is a little bit out in the nowhere, and I quickly show you this here on this next map. Okay, so where's the Horseshoe Bend? It's actually way up there. Here is Page, Arizona, and there is not much close by really. Over here you can see Las Vegas. It's about a 4.5 hour drive. Down in the south you have Phoenix, also about 4.5 hours. But if you happen to be at the Grand Canyon, which most people visit the south rim, it's only about 2.5 hours. So in my case, what I did, I started in Vegas. I went first to Havasupai. Just made a video about that. Link is on top. Then visited the Grand Canyon, the south rim. Then drove all the way up to Page. Went to the Antelope Canyon, which is also right next to Page. Made a short video about that too, link above. And then the Horseshoe Bend is actually just outside of Page, like 4 or 5 minutes by car. So it would actually be a really nice round trip if you plan on doing this. Heading to Page, Lake Powell, great fun place to visit. And then you could take the northern route, maybe even visit Zion National Park, which is also up here, and then back to Vegas. Great round trip. Now, Page itself, it's actually a newer town. It was only founded in 1957 to house the workers to build the Glen Canyon Dam that created Lake Powell. Okay, so here's a quick overview. You got Page here, Lake Powell over here is the dam. If you wonder, Antelope Canyon is back in here. Now you can't go there on your own, you have to go on a tour. As the Horseshoe Bend, it's just a few minutes outside the town. Here, if I zoom in, this is the parking lot where you begin your hike. You drive in there, there's a gate, they charge $10. It's a big parking lot, also has restrooms, bus parking as well. And then there's a short little 20-minute hike to get to the rim to see the bend. All right, then when you get down to the edge there, you're going to get to this viewing platform, which is a great spot to take pictures right in the center. People do wander around the edges too. Please be careful. It's a 1,000-foot drop. It can be slippery too. It's just sandstone. What to bring? Obviously you want to have some water, sunscreen, hat, sunglasses. Actually, when I was there, you may not see that in the video, it was super windy. So I had constantly sand in my eyes. So be ready for that on a windy day. Now, should you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment below. And again, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Aloha!